The FIP-200 Connector Checker is an innovative fiber inspection tool purpose-built specifically for technicians involved in fiber-to-the-home service activation with one goal in mind: to make fiber inspection fast, easy, and reliable. The FIP-200 simplifies fiber inspection by removing the need for a phone or app to visualize the connector end face. Technicians no longer need to interpret the images based on different standards or shoulder the decision whether a defect is acceptable or not. Its built-in 5-bar rating clearly shows connector quality, while guiding towards corrective measures as needed. Let's explore the 5 possible results of the FIP-200's rating system. A 1-bar rating means fail. The connector is critically dirty or damaged and must be cleaned or replaced before use. If it still fails after multiple cleaning attempts and you see no improvement, the connector is likely permanently damaged and should be replaced. To visualize the 1-bar reading defects using the FIP-500 and the IEC standard 61300-3-35 edition 2 analysis, we can expect a critically dirty connector end face, clearly highlighted failed. Reinspecting with the edition 3 of standard will yield the same result, since the connector has multiple debris or scratches in the core and/or cladding zones, which impairing service quality or causing an air gap. A 2-bar rating also means fail, indicated by red LEDs. The connector is either dirty or damaged. Cleaning is required. If there's no improvement after cleaning, replacement is recommended. Inspecting a connector that received a 2-bar result on the FIP-200 and visualizing it with the FIP-500 will show the connector has some debris or scratches near the core or within the cladding, which impairing quality of service or creating an air gap, and will result in a fail under both Edition 2 and Edition 3 of the IEC standard. As you can see, Edition 3 flags a critical defect in the core zone, while reinspecting that with Edition 2 of IEC standard flags defects in the core and cladding zone, as Edition 2 is more stringent than Edition 3 based on the defined pass-fail criteria. A 3-bar rating on the FIP-200 means pass. The connector is in satisfactory condition. It's somewhat clean, but a quick cleaning is recommended to further improve its quality. The Edition 2 of IEC standard is too stringent for typical FTTH applications. The FIP-200 analyzes results using criteria closer to Edition 3 in this case, which is more relaxed, yet still fully capable of supporting high-quality FTTH traffic. As you can see on the FIP-500 end-face result, the connector condition is acceptable, but there is a limited amount of contamination in the cladding zone. The connector is still serviceable, though cleaning is recommended to improve its overall condition. So, as recommended, we'll clean the fiber to see if we can improve its condition, potentially moving from a 3-bar rating to a better result. And as you can see, this simple cleaning step improved the connector end-face quality to a 4-bar rating, which is acceptable under both Edition 2 and Edition 3 of the IEC standard. Therefore, a 3-bar rating or higher on the FIP-200 means pass and is suitable for use in FTTH applications. Unlike rigid standards, the FIP-200 evaluates the area covered by a defect on the connector end face, providing a more accurate assessment of its impact on signal strength. For more information, please visit the application note on the FIP-200 webpage.